Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tasha Antwi. I am a digital marketing professional that works and lives in London, and I also make content. I like fashion, a bit of luxury fashion here and there as well. So yeah, that's the kind of content you'll see if you stick around. And then also this may be like more day in the life of, you know, someone who is head of SEO, a carer, and a content creator. That's basically me. But anyway, today I'm going to show you guys a very quick purchase that I made over the weekend, which is from Prada. So I'd been eyeing up these shoes for a while. I had seen them like on Instagram here and there. Not that many people have these particular ones. I like ones in the kitten heel versions, but actually this is the high heel version of this shoe. Yeah, so this is the first time I actually bought anything from Prada. And when I actually ordered these shoes via Farfetch, which I don't know if you know, and this video is not sponsored or affiliated with Farfetch, but I'm just letting you guys know. But when you order from Farfetch, there's a possibility of the items coming from lots of different places and boutiques around the world, I want to say. But so these shoes actually came from Browns in the Netherlands, and it didn't actually take that long to come. I think it was just 2 days and then it was with me. So very fast shipping, and I like the fact that you can actually get things that might be hard to get hold of, but maybe available on different sites in different countries, but via Farfetch, which is great because obviously I can't shop the Netherlands Browns website from here, you know. I could get into it as an SEO person, but we won't do that today. Anyway, I've already unboxed these, not gonna lie. So this is how it looks like inside the box. You've got the authenticity cards, and I'm guessing spare thingamabobbies for the heels. I have worn these as well. So they are these triangle Pradas, which you may have seen before. I know that there's a lot of people that have the flat black ones or the kitten heel ones, but these really caught my eye when I saw them on Farfetch. They in the high heel version of these shoes, they only come in this silver color, and they're only in the high heel version of these shoes, they only come in this silver color and a black. It is really reflective, as you can see. So you've got the triangle design here, and then the Prada logo written here in black, which I'm not sure if you can see it because I'm sitting opposite a window using natural light and everything's reflecting. So yeah, and it's got this kind of, it's like a chic sleek shoe, but it's got this kind of sporty detail at the bottom on the sole of it, which I don't know if you can see. So yeah, I don't know if you can see the triangle detail which is on the front of it, and it's got the Prada logo written just over here. They are super shiny, so you can literally, you might see a fingerprint, but you can literally wipe that off. And then it's got the little elasticated bit here. And yeah, I really do like kind of this sporty detail. I kind of like it because it kind of fits my personality, where I go from like chic and all done up to a bit of trainer vibes. That's what it looks like, the bottom of trainers, and they are really comfortable. And also the heel is like a triangle as well, and they are very pointy. So that's these. I will say is that there is a scratch on one of them, and I realized is that the heel is actually quite sharp, so you need to be careful. I wear them, it was like a very busy bar club, people did step on my foot, and there isn't a single scratch from it, but it's from that. And I am pretty well versed when it comes to buying metallics. I don't know what my obsession is with buying metallic stuff. I've got shoes, 2 shoes, 3 shoes, a bag, oh, another pair of shoes. Gosh, I've got like 5 things in my wardrobe, mainly shoes, which are like metallic. So if it's not gold, it's silver or something else. So I'm quite well versed in metallic leather because it can be delicate, but whereas this one is like a really shiny, glossy kind of leather. And also one thing to mention as well, and the design of this shoe, is that when you do wear these, where your foot would bend actually is before this part. So considering I was wearing this all night and walking around London in them, there's not a single like crease in the edges of the shoe, so that's a really good thing that I like about these. But anyway, I thought I would show you these really quickly. And yeah, if you like this kind of video where I talk a bit more in depth about certain items or purchases that I make like this, then let me know and I can do that for you. So yeah, let me know if you liked this video. If you'd like to see in-depth kind of reviews on purchases I make, I can do more of those. And then I do have a luxury haul coming up after this, as well as a Zara one. So if you want to see those, like and subscribe. And if there's any other videos you would like to see from me, please leave a comment in the description box. Let me know what you think of the shoes. I do actually love these that much that I want to get them in white. I don't know if I need a white one when I've got a silver one. Help me. Or do I get the baby blue ones? So yeah, let me know what your thoughts are in the comment box below. But I'll speak to you guys soon. Bye.